Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Do you want a web design that's as unique as the rolling hills of Dorchester? If so, then look no further than our expert team of web designers in Dorchester. We create beautiful sites that not only look stunning, but also perform flawlessly. Just like the gentle flow of the River Frome, our web designs are smooth, intuitive, and easy to navigate. From the picturesque landscape to the hustle and bustle of Dorchester's thriving town centre, our web designs capture the essence of what makes this area so special. You can trust us to bring your online presence to life with a website that's as unforgettable as the Jurassic Coast itself. Contact us today to take your business to the next level with our web design in Dorchester.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.